All right, welcome to Missouri Outdoors. Killed me a squirrel yesterday. Got a little bit of dirt on it there. That'll be all right. And found me a small hen of the woods, and I was wondering how I could put both of them together to make a meal out of it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my squirrel. And I got a pan here. I got some bacon grease in there. I'm gonna go ahead and sear this squirrel on both sides. My wife's gonna kill me. I'm gonna sear that on both sides. And then I'm gonna I'll probably sear that a little bit too, the hen of the woods. And I'm gonna add a can of cream of mushroom and a can of cream of chicken. And then I'm gonna let it just simmer for about an hour. I'll put some salt and pepper and stuff in there too for taste. And I'm gonna see how this turns out. So once I get to the next step I'm doing, I'll get back with you. And now got all that stuff scraped up out of the bottom. I'm gonna take a little bit of flour and I'm gonna make a roux out of this stuff that's in the bottom. Get all that good drippings off the bottom mixed up with that flour. Take it off the burner here. Okay, got the squirrel right there. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna throw my mushroom in there. I'm gonna stir it around in that. Turn this burner down some. Oh, I'm sorry for the video. I'm trying to do this one-handed. Get that mushroom mixed up in that roux. It's smelling good, that's for sure. A little bit of pepper in on that. I'll be right back. Okay, got my mushroom soup and my cream of chicken in there, and then I put my squirrel back in there. I'm gonna get it mixed up here. Get it all covered. I'm gonna add a little more pepper. And probably won't need no, I'll put a little bit. Okay. All right, I'm gonna put the lid on that. And let me stir that in just a little bit. Well, it's smelling good, that's for sure. Okay, I'm gonna put the lid on that, and I'm gonna turn the heat up just a little bit, and I'm gonna let that I'm gonna sit there and let that simmer for about an hour and see how tender the squirrel is, and I'll get back with you as soon as it's done. Okay, well, got her done. Got some squirrel, some mushroom there. Well, there we go. Get a little bit of, I'll see how this tastes real quick. Well, to each his own on taste, but I tell you what, it tastes really good. The mushroom, you can taste that roux that I made with that bottom stuff from the squirrel after I fried it, and the soup and everything. And the squirrel is tender. The mushroom is good and tender. So it does make a really good meal. That is very good. So I hope y'all enjoyed this. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'd appreciate it. And give us a try. I guess you could use any mushroom you wanted to. I mean, you could use a can of mushrooms if you had a can of mushrooms. But like I said, I found that the day I killed that squirrel, I found that little hen of the woods. So I just wanted to make a meal out of it, and this is the way I did it, and it tastes really good. So give it a try. Until the next one, thank y'all.